Making questions. Asking questions in English can be difficult. Sometimes you have to change word order or even add new words to make a question. For questions with the to be verb, just change the subject and verb word order. You are cold. Are you cold? She is single. Is she single? That is a deer. Is that a deer? We do the same thing for the can verb. You can fly. Can you fly? She can eat spicy food. Can she eat spicy food? For almost all other verbs, word order does not change, but we have to add a word. Do. You like pizza. Do you like pizza? He wants to work. Does he want to work? I kick the ball. Do I kick the ball? These same rules apply when we use the question words: when, where, why, and how. You like pizza. Why do you like pizza? How does he want to work? When do I kick the ball? Where are we drinking beer? Who and what can be a subject or an object in a sentence. As a subject, we don't have to change the sentence at all. It eats bugs. What eats bugs? He likes her. Who likes her? When who or what are objects, we use the do word to make the question. What does it eat? Who does he like? It's quiz time. Listen to the sentence. Change the sentence into a question. For example, example 1. You are kind. Are you kind? Example 2. He sees a fish. What does he see? Number 1. He is handsome. He is handsome. Number 2. Dogs can bark. Dogs can bark. Number 3. She saw that movie. She saw that movie. Number 4. They went to the park. They went to the park. Number 5. He started school at 5 o'clock. He started school at 5 o'clock.